Somebody says that it couldn't be done, but he, with a chuckle, replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one who wouldn't say so till he had tried. But so he buckled right it with a bit of a grin on his face. If he worried, he hid it. He started to sing as he tackled it him. That couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed. Oh, you will never do that. At least no one has ever done it. But he took off his coat and took off his hat, and the first thing which we knew that he began it with a lift of his chin and bit of a grin without any doubting or quite it. He started to sing as he tackled it him. That couldn't be done, but he did it. There are thousands to tell you that it cannot be done. There are thousands to prophecy failure. There are thousands to point out you one by one the dangers that wait to assail you. But just buckled it with a bit of a green in him. Just take off your coat and go to it. Just started to sing. Just start to sing as you tackled it him. That couldn't be done, and you all do it. देखो, वर्ड्स नहीं भूलोगे, लेकिन फिर भी बीच में थोड़ा गैप होके रिवाइज ना करना पड़े, इसलिए फोकस करके बोलो उस चीज़ों पे, वर्ड्स पे फोकस किया